let's quickly see how you can use find and replace in Excel. Okay, so I'll click on to take me to the beginning, Control Home to take me to the beginning of the page, and so I'll highlight everything. There are two ways to highlight. Either you do it like this, or a better way is clicking the first one, then you come to this name box, come to the name box, put the to A1800. That is, I want it to select everything. Now that it has selected everything, for me to now use the find and replace, I'll click on Control H. Control H. What am I finding? I am looking for this CR. Okay, so I'll put CR here. What do I want to replace it with? Can you see replace with? What do I want to replace it with? Let's say I want to replace it with daycare, which is CD. Okay, so I am finding CR. I want to replace it with DC. Then I'll click on replace all. Can you see? So for everywhere there is CR, is going to change it to DC. You can use any word like that. Just ensure that that thing you are finding is actually existing on your Microsoft Excel, and is going to replace it whatever you have asked it to replace it with. Follow me for more tips like this.